Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to take a quick look at the market and then jump right into the crypto news of the day. So right away, we do see 24-hour period top gainer BitTorrent. We've talked about that one a lot on this channel for obvious reasons. We see the massive spike, and we kind of saw it coming. I wouldn't say we saw it coming this quick. However, we saw BitTorrent. We saw the opportunity to invest. Hopefully, a lot of you guys were able to lock in on some profits. And if not, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn notifications on so you can get notified every time I make a new video so you can take advantage of the most recent information possible and available to you. Do remember, while we go over the market and then jump into crypto news, I am not a financial advisor, so always do your own research. As we continue down, we see things like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polkadot, Cardano, XRP, Uniswap, Litecoin, Chainlink, Theta, all up in percentages. The big ones to mention are Bitcoin Cash, Stellar, Lumens, Tron, as they're all up double digits percentages in the last 24 hours. We also have things like VeChain up 15.91%, EOS up 10%. Hollow up 15%, IOTA up 11%. So a lot of big numbers coming out of the market today. Let's hop right on into the crypto news of the day. So we have first, new generation of credit cards offer Bitcoin in place of airline miles. Very interesting stuff. There's not much more to read into there. It's just a cool idea, obviously, having cryptocurrency kind of being offered everywhere you turn now. It seems like we're kind of getting those options closer and closer to everyday life. So hopefully we continue that direction and our cryptocurrency continues to rise in price as we continue to reap the benefits and rewards from it. Next, we have ETH balance on exchanges hits 20-month low as Ethereum holds above 2,000. So you can read a little bit more about this on u.today and read more about how this is going to affect Ethereum altogether. But obviously, holding above 2,000 is definitely going to be a positive for anyone holding Ethereum. Next, we have Kevin O'Leary says he will only buy Bitcoin mined with clean energy and none mined in China. Celebrity investor Kevin O'Leary says he will only buy Bitcoin mined sustainably in countries that use clean energy and not blood coin mined in China. So very interesting what Kevin's saying here. I'm not sure exactly how he's going to pick exactly what coins he's buying. I don't know what exchange he's going to be using, but very interesting how he's going to make sure he's not buying any blood coin mined in China is what he calls it. So very interesting, like I said, article there. So NFT price crash stirs debate on whether stimulus-led fad is over. So a lot of people are thinking the NFT prices are going to continue to drop. I think they will continue to drop. We've talked about this on the channel. NFTs are going to be here forever. However, they're overpriced at the moment, or they were at the very least, and now we're kind of seeing it correct itself. Obviously, anytime something new comes out, a lot of people see potential in it and they want to overinvest, and now we're seeing the price kind of correct itself a little bit on NFTs. NFTs aren't going anywhere, though. I will say, when they say if the fad is over, no, the fad's not over. NFTs are going to stick around for quite a long time and be very popular. However, it was a little bit overpriced, and we've talked about that on this channel. We go to the next one. We see Bank of Japan begins first digital currency proof of concept. Nothing real too much to go into detail here, but the idea behind this is pretty cool. Bank of Japan begins first digital currency proof of concept. We go to the next one. MicroStrategy acquires additional $15 million in Bitcoin at average price of $59,339. So they're obviously going to be believing in this cryptocurrency altogether. You wouldn't be buying it at that price if you didn't. That's a fairly solid price right now. I think that's more of a stable price than a an on sale price at a dip or a good entry point. However, it's a solid price. I think Bitcoin's going to continue to rise over the next couple of years, obviously. So we'll see what happens as more and more people start investing. We do have next Coinbase direct listing set for April 14th after SEC approval. Cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase said Thursday that it will begin trading April 14th after receiving approval from the SEC for its direct listing. So this is very cool as well. It does have the ticker symbol coin as well, which is also very cool. So we'll head on to the next one. You guys all love Decentraland, it seems like, so we have been talking about Decentraland a lot on this channel, but we have Move Mana between Ethereum and Polygon, the first step toward a Layer 2 solution for Decentraland. Today marks the completion of an important first step on the path toward a full Layer 2 solution for payments and transactions in Decentraland. Layer 2 solutions, obviously, is going to be a big deal for Decentraland. We'll probably see a price increase on Decentraland within the next couple months as well because of what they're really trying to attempt and do here, the vision behind it. And we talked about Decentraland before, so we won't go into much detail. But if you want to look more into Decentraland price predictions, I do have a bunch of videos on Decentraland, as it's definitely one we follow on this channel. Another recent tweet was actually, I consider crypto news here. They have Bitcoin.com is available. Minimum offer is that quite bit of lump sum of $100 million. So very interesting. We'll see if anyone actually goes for Bitcoin.com. Obviously, that would be a sweet domain to have. For that price, I'm not sure. I'm not sure it's worth it, but we'll see what happens with it. It could very well be made a good offer, and then maybe they'll make a deal on it. So we'll see what happens with Bitcoin.com. As we move to the next one, we have Ethereum holds strong above 2K. Why rally isn't over yet? They just talk more about Ethereum is showing a lot of positive signs above the 2,000 support zone. The price is now well above that 2,000 support and the 100 hourly simple moving average. So it's very interesting. I think that we will continue to see Ethereum rise. I don't know how fast, but I do think $2,000 is definitely going to be a new low for Ethereum as we move forward and so on and so on. So next we have MicroStrategy buys another 253 BTC, now holds 0.5% of Bitcoin's circulating supply. We've talked about this before in the previous, I think it was, down here. We talked about how they're buying more. MicroStrategy has been jumping on the Bitcoin hype train, and they've continued to buy. No price is too high to pay for the privilege of owning yourself. Just a cool idea behind that. The decentralization, everyone loves that. So, he's taking advantage of the situation. He's going to continue to buy, it looks like. So very, very cool. We go to the next one. I agree. Bitcoin will defy regulators with tenfold rise in value to overtake gold. Very interesting. So Bitcoin's value is set to rise tenfold and will overtake that of gold, a leading New York investment manager has predicted. Obviously, this would be big for all cryptocurrencies. As we move on to Hong Kong customs, bus GPU smuggler seizes 300 NVIDIA CMP 30HX GPUs. Obviously, mining cryptocurrency processors here, CMP, or cryptocurrency mining processor, I should say, are the new commodity among Chinese smugglers. So obviously, this is something that a lot of people are trying to get their hands on. Obviously, mining still has a lot of money attached to it, so everyone's trying to mine that crypto. As we go to the next one, I'm not sure what we're looking at here, but we'll go on to the next one. I think our article kind of crashed on us there. So MicroStrategy stock price up 394% since first BTC purchase. Obviously, a lot of right decisions is making this 394% increase happen dramatically and very fast and very quickly, obviously. So Bitcoin all around is getting more and more investors every day. Cryptocurrency altogether getting more and more investors. A lot more news coming out about this kind of stuff. So we will continue to take a look at this kind of stuff. So if you guys do like this crypto news segment, if you guys like this crypto news segment, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and turn notifications on so you can get notified every time we make a crypto news segment, as well as hidden gem segment and all the price predictions that we do on this channel. Also, make sure if you guys want to talk with crypto like-minded people like myself, you can join the Discord in the description below, as well as follow me on Twitter, also linked in the description below. Thank you guys so much for tuning in for today's video. I'll see you all in the next one.